Now, another source of finding unlimited opportunities to find private lenders is, and I hate to say this, could be a local RIA. Now, this is the one area that I have not touched into, but I've seen other investors who it's worked for. Because if you go to any local RIAs, I don't really go to any RIAs no more. There's usually RIAs are for people who just started out in real estate. But at the RIAs, you kind of know who is doing deals. And then, of course, you also have the ability to, usually it's like stand up, you tell someone, hey, are you, what type of deal you're working on? You tell the group, the numbers and everything. And then you may have people, if the numbers are, they make sense, you'll have people who come to you and then they will share with you that, that the numbers will work for them. That is another source. I mean, it's not nothing that I have did, but it has worked for people because you are in a community and an environment where people are doing real estate deals, where people are lending money. And so that will give you the ability to build relationships and find other people who are lending money. So my goal for the next couple of weeks is to really tap in and talk more about the self-directed IRAs. Although I just, mentioned some others, but I really want to just hunker down in that area of private lending. So my goal for the next couple of weeks is to talk more about that topic, talk about ways that working with self-directed IRA owners can help you fund your deals, because on this show on Never Lose a Deal podcast, that is my goal, to talk more about some creative ways that you can get your deals funded. And so, like I said, private lending being the highest level of the business funding capital stack. So want to talk more about self-directed IRAs, how those investors can potentially fund your next deal. So once again, this is Lorelia. Hope you found value in what I had to share with you today, and looking forward to talking to you in the next video. Once again, if you are watching on YouTube, please leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. And then also, if you're listening on the podcasting platforms, please rate and let me know your thoughts there as well. So this is Lorelia signing off. See you in the next episode.